Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we discuss a very important bacterial disease, infectious necrotic hepatitis, popularly known as black disease. In part 1, we'll discuss synonym, introduction or definition, etiology, and epidemiology. For more videos on disease of animals, visit youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet. Friends, we start with infectious necrotic hepatitis. Popular synonym is black disease. Why it is named as black disease? Because the alpha toxin causes extensive damage to the vascular system. There is pronounced engorgement of subcutaneous blood vessels with subcutaneous edema. Due to toxin, there is extensive rupture of the capillaries in the subcutaneous tissue, which results the adjacent skin to turn black color. Now, this black skin or black color is clearly noticeable on drying of the skin. So, it is popularly known as black disease. Friends, first understand the disease introduction or definition. Disease cause acute toxemia, commonly occurring in sheep, sometimes occurring in cattle, and rare occurrence in pigs and horses. The disease is caused by toxin of Clostridium novii type B. Remember here, toxin of Clostridium novii type B. The organism and toxin produce acute localized infection and severe damage in the liver tissue, and it produces the various symptoms. Outbreaks of infectious necrotic hepatitis is mostly associated with occurrence of fascioliasis because the liver fluke causes damage to the liver tissue and the disease is produced. The clinical signs in SIP is a very rapid clinical course and usually found dead without pre-monitoring signs. So clinically, it is very difficult to provide diagnosis of this black disease in SIP. In cattle and horses, short clinical course is observed. There is profound depression, endotoxemia, abdominal pain, and peritonitis. Friends, we discuss here etiology. The cause is toxin of Clostridium novii type B. It is a soil-borne infection, means the organisms are resident in soil. Organisms are also present in intestines and livers of normal herbivores. The organism also present on skin surfaces and lie dormant in the muscle. So, organism is also a source of wound infection. Friends, the precipitating cause is necrosis of tissue in the liver that is caused by migration of immature liver fluids. This disease has association with the fascioliasis. The necrosis of tissue causes proliferation of organisms that occur in the areas of liver necrosis, and while proliferating it produces a powerful lethal necrotizing toxin, mostly alpha toxin and other toxins. The toxin causes damage to hepatic parenchyma. Again, proliferation of the bacteria produce lethal amount of toxin. Friends, we know that the infectious necrotic hepatitis has association with physioliasis due to local hepatic injury. There are other causes of less common occurrence that causes local hepatic injury are cyst of cystic circus tenuicollis, produce cyst in the liver, trauma during the liver biopsy also causes hepatic injury, Thylanosoma actinoides, it is a tapeworm, inhabitant of the small intestine and bile duct, is also considered as a predisposing factor in the South America. Friends, here we discuss several epidemiological important factors for a clinician. Occurrence: the disease is distributed worldwide and more prevalence in the areas where there is presence of SIP and presence of liver flukes. The seasonal prevalence is as per the environment of the liver fluke, that is hot humid climate. It is related to the development of the liver fluke and snail due to migration of immature liver flukes in the liver. In SIP, the incidence rate of disease is ranging from 5% to 30%. Friends, remember here epidemiological association between liver fluke and Clostridia novae, that is disease. Both are require the same type of soil and environment, a damp marshy soil and hot humid climate. The outbreaks are most common during some summer or autumn months. That is important environment for snail, liver fluke and Clostridium novae. During summer and drought, the sheep graze on damp marshy soil, and that is also infested with snail and liver fluke. Friends, we know that disease is associated with fascioliasis and it has a specific environment: marshy, heavy irrigated land and hot humid climate. So outbreak stops after the frost. That is due to destruction of encysted metacercaria of the fluke. Heavy irrigation of pasture favors the development of snail and flukes, and so also the disease prevalence and incidence is also more. Friends, most susceptible host is SIP, and disease occur in well-nourished adult healthy sheep. In the specific age group, 2 to 4 years are more susceptible, and rare occurrence in the lambs and yearlings. This is the specificity of the host susceptibility. The disease occur comparatively very less in cattle. Cattle are less susceptible, and rare occurrence in pigs and horses. We discuss here source of infection. Organisms are normal flora of soil, so soil-borne infection. Most important source of infection is feces of carrier animals that contaminate pasture and soil. Another source of infection is cadavers of dead sheep died due to infectious necrotic hepatitis. And this causes heavy contamination of soil and pasture because it contains large quantity of the organisms. Clostridium novyi also present in liver of many normal sheep of a flock. But all strains of Clostridium novyi are not pathogenic. Only Clostridium novyi type B is pathogenic. Spread of infection from one farm to other farm by these infected sheep, infected wild animals, and birds. Spread of infection also occurs due to irrigation in the pasture, due to heavy flood and heavy rains. That is due to by drainage of spore contaminated soil from one place to other place, and it takes the spore to a farther distance. The infection of the sheep occurs through ingestion of this vegetative organism, and thus it spreads the disease. Friends, for watching more videos on disease of veterinary importance, watch youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. Share this information to veterinarian and veterinary friends. Press like button. Subscribe the channel to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.